Although evaluating determinants can take a lot of work, evaluating the determinant of a triangular matrix or a 2 by 2 matrix is a really easy procedure. Let's go through evaluating a handful of determinants by inspection, so just a really easy computation. The determinant of a triangular matrix, as we've discussed, is the product of its diagonal entries. Here in example 1, we have an upper triangular matrix, so its determinant is just the product of its diagonal entries, 2 times negative 1 times 4, so the determinant is negative 8. For a 2 by 2 matrix, we can find the determinant by just subtracting the products of the diagonals. 0 times 2, of course, is 0, and then we subtract 3 times 1, so the determinant is negative 3. In this third example, we have a lower triangular matrix, but again, its determinant is just going to be the product along its diagonal. So 8 multiplied by 2 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by 1, the product of the diagonal entries. This is 8 times 2 is 16, times negative 3 is negative 48, times 1 gives us our determinant of negative 48. This last example is a diagonal matrix, which is especially nice, but it is still considered a triangular matrix, and so again, its determinant is just the product of its diagonal entries, which at a glance we see is negative 12. That's how to find the determinant by inspection for 2 by 2 matrices and for triangular matrices. There's a link in the description to my lesson going over the general definition of determinants by cofactor expansion if you want to deal with the more complicated cases. Also be sure to check out my linear algebra course and linear algebra exercises playlists in the description as well.